Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Charm. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the Charm works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on October 13th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to Charm when this goes live. And the best part is you can get a discounted price for this digital product launch during this launch period of Charm. Now this is a limited time offer, so you must act fast as the price increases after the product launch. Now to get this discounted price, you can go ahead and click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here, and I'm gonna be showing you how you can get this product from here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. All you gotta do is keep an eye onto my bonus banner here and we'll go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Charm. Now to put this briefly, Charm is an automated Quora traffic app. It's a software that lets you get free organic traffic from Quora and be able to create landing pages included in the software with templates to choose from so you can create your campaigns for your ClickBank offers to promote. Now then you can send this for social syndication, and this software includes Quora backlinks so that your Quora URL account will be sent to this backlinks over here. Okay, so it should be, I'm going too fast, right over there. Here is the included backlinks for your Quora URL. Now I want to talk about the benefits of Charm. Now this program includes support team for questions that you may have for this program. And they also included video trainings inside of the program for you to follow along so you'll have an idea of how this program works. Now this is a one whole business system in one software without having to pay for monthly fees. Now this software lets you do all the work, and all you have to do is add a few clicks here and there and then you're done. Now you can take advantage of the Quora's organic traffic by answering their question tool and adding backlinks to your Quora URL for page authority. This is a quick way, by the way, to learn to earn commissions using ClickBank offers, because they also included that one inside the products that you can promote using ClickBank over here. So now I'm gonna be showing you a quick walkthrough of what the Charm is gonna look like inside of the members area. This will be your main dashboard here, and this is where the Quora question, where you can add the questions here, or you can pretty much for example, this is where you can use all the questions that you're going to be posting for Quora. Let's say content making, it's gonna populate all this content marketing questions related for you to start copying and then pasting it onto the Quora questionnaires. Now here is the Quora link. This is where you can create links. Actually, this is where you can create your landing pages. So this is all the templates that you're going to choose from for you to start creating landing pages. As you can see here, the training will be provided you on how to create these landing pages inside over here in the module. Now from there, you create your landing page. This is where you create your, or to shorten your URL over here. Here is the bit.ly URL shortener and the rebandly, where you can also shorten and share and track your shortening URLs as well. Here is where you can do your social blast. So all this social media accounts over here, this is where you can send your Quora URL and paste it onto this available social media platforms that you can post, so that you'll be able to share that to every social media platform and be able to have backlinks as well. Here is the Quora hashtags that you can go and get all the Quora hashtags for you for the niche that you wanna look at, and then just add the hashtags from there. Here is the Quora automation settings here. Automation templates right over here. Here's the automation campaign as well. And then Quora backlinks. This is my favorite part. Now you can add backlinks to your Quora URL in this section here. It's available inside of the members area, so this is included to your front end membership site. Here is here, connect your Facebook and Instagram. Over here is the Quora and Facebook that you can integrate. You can also integrate your Instagram right over here, and this is the RSS auto posting for you. Here is for the email marketers out there. You can pretty much integrate your autoresponder here. So if you have active campaign, if you have GetResponse, MailChimp, active campaign, oh yeah, I mentioned it earlier, a Weber, connect it here so you can start sending these offers to your list. SMS autopilot, you can send text messages and all that over here. This is the e-commerce autopilot as well. So if you have an e-commerce business, you can take advantage of this software for here. Website comparison right over here, and here is the agency for the account upgrade. So this is what the charm looks like inside of the members area. Now I'm going to be talking to you about my free bonuses offer. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up charm, this is going to go live on October 13th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these orange buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then once you get into the sales page, there will be a $4 that's gonna pop up. So I'm gonna refresh this page really quick so you'll see what I mean by the $4 offer that's gonna pop up on the page. So pretty much if you spend a little more time here, and that $4 pop up is gonna come up soon. It's not gonna come up right away, but as soon as you spend more time onto my sales page here. So right here is where you can click to get the charm product here. And so due to my cookies into my computer here, it's probably catching that I've got the $4 off discount, so it's not gonna show up. So I apologize for that, but once you do that, once you click here to get access to the charm, so there it is. And so this is the $4 discount that you're gonna have to make sure and take advantage so you can get the discount price for the charm. And then that's where you can go ahead and pick this up. All right, and then when you pick up this charm here, make sure to go ahead and pick it up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page, because as soon as when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses here, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. Now all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in this description of this video to get access to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these orange buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, and that's when you can go ahead and pick this up. Okay, and now if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. You can go ahead and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be $17 in price. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. So take a look at the upgrades, and as soon as you get a feel of the information of the upgrades onto my bonus page here, you will get prompted as soon as you pick up charm. You'll get prompted onto the upgrades, and at least you read this part so you'll have an idea on what are the upgrades that's gonna offer to you as soon as you pick up charm on the front end of this product here. So as soon as you click on these buttons here, and then when you pick up charm, these will become available for you to check out the upgrades as well. Now when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase charm, now I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses. Now this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you all my free bonuses. So make sure that you click the link down below in this video to check out all my bonuses. And you can find that one right in the bottom, or you can find it anywhere on this video, and then you can If you have any questions, please check my Facebook page, send me a message, and I'll be more than too happy to answer any of your questions. Now, once again, remember the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during your launch period of Charm. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch. And it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 16th. So you make sure that you look up for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $17 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my charm review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase charm at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.